Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Land Cruiser in Offroad Outlaws. First, head into your garage and choose a base vehicle that closely resembles a classic SUV. Many players find the classic SUV or wagon body styles to be ideal starting points for this iconic build. Make sure you have enough in-game cash, perhaps around $50,000 to $100,000, to cover the initial purchase and essential modifications. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that authentic Land Cruiser look and feel. Next, let's focus on the suspension and wheels to give your Land Cruiser its formidable stance. Install a heavy-duty suspension lift kit, aiming for at least a 4-inch to 6-inch lift to clear obstacles. Pair this with large, aggressive off-road tires, ideally 37 to 40 inches in diameter, for maximum traction. For wheels, select a set of sturdy beadlocks. They not only look the part, but also signify serious off-road capability. This combination will dramatically enhance both the aesthetics and performance of your build. Now, let's enhance the exterior with essential off-road accessories. Start by adding a robust front bumper, ideally one with an integrated winch for recovery situations, and a matching rear bumper that includes a spare tire carrier. Equip rock sliders along the sides to protect your vehicle's undercarriage from damage on challenging terrain. Finally, install a sturdy roof rack, complete with auxiliary lights for night driving, and a snorkel for those inevitable deep water crossings. These additions complete the authentic Land Cruiser look. Finally, let's fine-tune the performance and put your creation to the test. Upgrade your engine to a high-torque option, ensuring it has ample power for tackling steep climbs and crawling over obstacles. Carefully adjust the gear ratios for optimal low-speed control, which is crucial for technical off-roading, and maintain good high-speed stability. Take your custom Land Cruiser out onto various off-road maps, experimenting with different terrains to fine-tune its performance and ensure it handles exactly as you envision. Enjoy your ultimate off-road machine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.